Some outfits don't just look outdated, they quietly lower your elegance. And most women don't even realize they're doing this. If you want to look effortlessly refined, avoid these mistakes. Wearing overly busy prints. Elegant women choose subtle patterns or clean lines. Too loose or too tight disrupts your silhouette. Tailored pieces create balance. Over-accessorizing competes for attention. Refined style is selective. Low-quality fabrics instantly downgrade your look. Quality materials elevate everything. Outdated color combinations can age your style. Modern elegance lives in refined tones. Without structure, your outfit loses presence. Structure creates authority. Trying too hard to follow trends? Elegance is timeless, not trendy. Because true elegance isn't about having more. It's about choosing better. Thanks for watching our video.